In this video, we're looking at completing multiplication sentences. So when you look at the bigger numbers in the examples, it can be a little bit intimidating. So I think it's better to start with something with some smaller numbers to get a feel for it. So this first example, we have blank times 4 equals 12. You probably know just from memorizing your multiplication facts that the answer is 3 times 4 equals 12. So you might just remember that number, but what your brain has actually done is associated the three together in this sort of fact family that we created. If you remember, we might have done it in class already, is those yellow triangles where we identify the fact that, okay, 3 times 4 multiplied to 12, 12 divided by 3 equals 4, 12 divided by 4 equals 3. They're a fact family. So actually, you've gone 12 divided by 4 equals 3. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. You've got two parts of the triangle. You're finding out that missing part. So here we have the 3 and the 12. So again, the answer, the bigger number, we have sort of on the top here. We're going 12 divided by 3 equals 4. It's possible, again, you just knew that one, but later you won't. And finally, 3 times 4 equals 12. So in this example, it says, type the integer that makes the following multiplication sentence true. Blank times 4 equals 32. Some of you might already think, hey, I know that fact. And again, if you know your facts, this stuff is just generally easier to do. So I highly encourage you to memorize them. But anyhow, 8 times 4 equals 32. If that didn't just jump to mind, you might want to kind of draw yourself one of these little triangles, or just remember, okay, the answer divided by one of the factors equals the other factor. So 32 divided by 4 equals 8. And it continues to work around. 32 divided by 8 equals 4. 4 times 8 equals 32. Or obviously 8 times 4 because of the commutative property of multiplication. 4 times 8 is the same as 8 times 4. In this last example, it says, type the integer that makes the following multiplication sentence true. 89 times blank equals 5,340. So obviously in this example, we don't know the answer off by heart. It's not a basic fact. So I've drawn myself my little triangle because that's the easiest way for me to visualize it. So I can figure out the missing piece by going 5,340 divided by 89. So I'm just going to do that over on the side here. 5,340 divided by 89. How many 89 is going to take out of 534? I'm guessing something like 5 or 6. Let's try 6. I'm just going to write it down here. 6 times 89. 6 times 9 is 54. 4 down, 5 up. 6 times 8 is 48. Plus the 5, 53. Ah, perfect. 6. 6 times 89 is 534. Minus 0. Bring down the 0. You can take 89 as 0, 0 times 89, 0, minus is 0. So our answer is 60. Okay, that's it for this section. Good luck.